Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV, y'all. You feel me? We back at it again with another video, you feel me? Let me let the windows up real quick so y'all boy can hear me. I ain't gonna lie, it is kind of cold outside. And them folks who just passed by just flash their lights. That mean there must be 12 in front of us, you feel me? So you already know we gotta watch out for them boys, no doubt. But anyways, before we get too far in the video, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all boys already know what to do, you feel me? I do need to figure out where these boys at though, no cap. Y'all hit on the little pops though. But let's see here, what we gonna do? We gonna bust this here little right. You feel me? Oh. But anywho, as y'all boy can tell by the title and thumbnail, you feel me? We doing a Hellcat POV. You feel me? Doing a Hellcat POV. Nighttime POV with that Mackie Lem, you feel me? It's that brand new Mackie Lem MPA edition, Grim Reaper edition, I meant to say, you feel me? My favorite gun right now, I'm not gonna lie. So basically, we just gonna be driving around, doing a little nighttime POV. Talk to y'all boy for a little minute before I go in the house and go to sleep, you feel me? Damn! They must have just redid the road right there or something. All them damn rocks sticking and stuff. I need to check my tires on some real stuff because I was doing donuts and I ain't checked my tires, so it could be bald and I wouldn't know. Am I tweaking? Yeah, I think I gotta re-oil my exhaust, what it is, the active exhaust valves, cause they squeaking hard. That don't sound like a damn rubber duck. Y'all hit that bit though. And if y'all boy haven't watched the last video, make sure y'all boy go check that video out on everything. Y'all should like that video, no doubt. Drive by a cemetery, it probably all type of creepy stuff running around that bit at night, no doubt. Probably some zombies. I gotta turn on my ambient lighting, you feel me? So it won't be so boring in that bit. I know y'all boy like, Sean, nigga, turn some light on up in that bit, no doubt. There you go. It look more, you feel me, alive in that bit now. And I'm not really going too crazy, y'all. I'm just really driving. You feel me? Let me show y'all, boy, while we at that red light, I'm gonna show y'all, boy, how the gun look without the little suppress on here. So I'm gonna take it off. Hold on. It take a while to take that bit off, I ain't gonna lie. Boom, you feel me? So this how they bit look with the suppressor off, you feel me? Y'all let me know how y'all like it. Y'all like it with the suppressor or without it? It bit look more like a UZI now though, on God it do. What y'all boy think? Y'all think it be a little more like a UZI? Yeah, I agree. Now we're gonna put that bit back on now. Damn. There we go. Is we gonna make it before the light turn green? No. But them niggas ran the light and ain't nobody behind me. So we finna put that bit on first. Alright, that's the best it gonna get. You feel me? Now we can put that bit back on the passenger seat and finish that motherfucking video, no doubt. Man, there go the police. We gotta watch out for them niggas. I know what I am gonna do though. I'm gonna pull up to the gas station so I can get me a good little thumbnail picture. You feel me? The thumbnail is very important for y'all boys who do YouTube. You feel me? That's what gonna make niggas click, you feel me? Let me see. Alright, y'all, so we got the thumbnail taken care of. Now it's time to, you feel me, get back into this P.O.B. ski for y'all niggas. Let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna go right here. And we're gonna buck that little U-turn, you feel me? We ain't worried about them niggas coming up the block. They know to let me through. Nigga, I'm in a Hellcat. I ain't gonna lie, it's starting to get a little cool outside. Like, it's actually kind of cold right now. Like, a nigga really need a hoodie on. That means since it's getting cold outside, I need to work on my immune system. Because last year, my nigga, I was the sickest nigga known to mankind. I get sick every other week. Woohoo! Y'all hear that popcorn back there? I know y'all niggas hear it. Damn, why these niggas turn their caution lights on? The hell? That must be scared. Ain't nobody finna do nothing to y'all, boy. I don't know what the hell wrong there. I know this ain't no little marrow behind me. Who is this? Who is this? Oh, you done messed up, my boy. You want to smoke? Want smoke? Let's see. Let's see if the nigga want smoke. The hell? I don't even know what race this nigga is. This nigga look like a goddamn fortune cookie. Fortune cookie face ass nigga. I'm probably gonna spin too bad. I thought this little nigga wanted smoke. That nigga don't want no smoke. That nigga driving like he was finna do something. I'm thinking this nigga got an SS or something. Nigga, if you don't take your ass on that little ass RS. Oh, whoa. I had to make sure that police wasn't coming after me. Oh God, I ain't no best one be like that on everything. That mean I need to take my ass back to the crib. Oh God. Trying to make sure that nigga ain't turn their lights on. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not running from no police tonight. They're just gonna pull me over. I don't got no gas or nothing. Oh God. Damn, something bad happened over that bitch. And what that nigga doing in that truck? It look like he running for 12. I'm weak. I'm not for the cut of the night. That's the same niggas from the video before last. Niggas always want you to cut up when you got a cat. I ain't gonna lie. I can tell you one thing that I can turn up with. It's that Mackie Lamb motherfucker. You feel me? Y'all let me know how y'all boy like the nighttime POVs, you feel me? Let me know if y'all mess with it. I forgot it was a railroad track right there. Get on that little E-way, motherfucker. These niggas real quick. I should have put the lights on some red or some white. There's too many colors going on in this bitch. On everything. You got the radio colors, you got the steering wheel colors. Like a light showing it, bitch. Bust this little left. It echoes so hard, it sounds like somebody shot something. Well, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for here. You feel me? I gotta go ahead and head home. I can't show y'all niggas exactly where I live, so y'all boy won't pull up and get feasted. You feel me? So, make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Make sure y'all boy drop in the comments. Whatever y'all want to comment, you feel me? I'm going to answer my comments, no doubt. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see me make, or, you feel me? What y'all think I should do to the car, you feel me? Let me know, you feel me? Because y'all boy be having some good ideas. And I really appreciate y'all for sharing your ideas with me and y'all not being scared, you feel me? So, that's going to wrap it up, y'all. I'll see y'all boys next time. Peace.